stands up because surely, a high wind, it's going to get knocked down. What ties the forest together is just fast about that happening, are vines going up with the canopy, jumping from tree to tree. So the whole thing's all swaying together, tied up. Now, the vines are parasitic, and this tree, the tabernuco tree, has a flammable sap.
Oh.
Yeah, sound by the way. That's our coqui frog. It's a nocturnal frog. It's endemic to Puerto Rico. There are 13 species of them. You're never going to see them. It's a tiny little frog. When they come out of the frog spawn, they come out as a fully developed miniature frog the size of a pinhead. They don't do a tadpole thing. Totally unique frog. Absolutely gorgeous. But that flammable sap of the tabernuco tree is the reason that Puerto Rico is not British, sadly, from my perspective. Because when Sir Francis Drake successfully came through San Juan's harbour defences, they came in at a time when all the men were out.